discuss about atomic mass. Atomic mass is determined by a method called mass spectrometry. One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 atom. 1 AMU, that is atomic mass unit, is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Today, AMU has been replaced by U, which is known as unified mass. Mass of an atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24. Thus, in terms of AMU, the mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24, which is mass of an atom of hydrogen, divided by the value of 1 AMU, that is 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, which becomes equal to 1.0078 AMU. Similarly, the mass of oxygen 16 atom would be 15.995 AMU. Let us know about average atomic mass. Average atomic mass is determined for the elements which exist as more than one isotope. For example, carbon has an average atomic mass of 12.011 U. Carbon 13 has relative abundance of 98.892 and its atomic mass is 12. Carbon 13 has relative abundance of 1.108 and atomic mass is 13.00335. Carbon 14 has relative abundance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 and its atomic mass is 14.00317. From the above data, average atomic mass of carbon becomes equal to 12.011 U. Let us know about molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. The molecular mass is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atoms and adding them together. For example, the molecular mass of methane, that is CH4, is equal to 12.011 U plus 4 into 1.008 U, which is equal to 16.043 U. Molecular mass of water, that is H2O, can be calculated as follows, which is equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 2 into 1.008 U plus 16 U, which becomes equal to 18.02 U, which is the molecular mass of water. Now let us discuss about the problems on molecular mass. Calculate the molecular mass of glucose molecule, that is C6H12O6. Molecular mass of glucose is equal to 6 carbon atoms into its atomic mass, that is 12.011 U, plus 12 hydrogen atoms into its atomic mass 1.008 U, plus 6 oxygen atoms into its atomic mass, that is 16 U, which becomes is equal to 180.162 U. Let us know about formula mass. Formula mass is calculated for the substances like NaCl, which does not contain discrete molecules as their components. For example, in NaCl, one sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions and vice versa. The formula NaCl is used to calculate the formula mass instead of molecular mass because in the solid state sodium chloride does not exist as a single entity. Thus, formula mass of NaCl is equal to atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine, which is equal to 23U plus 35.5U, which becomes equal to 58.5U, which is the formula mass of NaCl. Now let us know about mole. The mole is used to count the particles at the microscopic level, that is atoms or molecules or particles or electrons or ions. In SI system, mole was introduced as seventh base quantity for the amount of a substance. 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains the number of particles present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Note, the mole of any substance always contains the same number of particles. The mass of carbon 12 atom is equal to 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. 1 mole of carbon weighs 12 gram. The number of atoms in it is equal to 12 gram per mole divided by 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram, which becomes equal to 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 atoms per mole. It is known as Avogadro's constant, denoted by capital Na subscript A. Example, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of water contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 water molecules. Let us know about molar mass. The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called its molar mass. The molar mass in grams is equal to atomic or molecular or formula mass in unified mass. Molar mass of water is equal to 18.02 gram per mole. Molar mass of sodium chloride is equal to 58.5 gram per mole.